Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to add text background in Photoshop. After creating a document in Photoshop, we can go to left toolbar, we can go to Font Type Tool. Click and hold, we can find horizontal type tool, and then click on Artboard, and then we can start to type. For example, I type text background. And then we can use Move Tool to show transform box and click and drag the corner to enlarge it. I put it here and I press enter to apply it. Next, we can add text background. We can use rectangle tool. So we can go to left toolbar to find rectangle tool here. Or you can click and hold to find other tools here. I will use rectangle tool and then click and drag to make a rectangle. Now we can see that the color of the rectangle is in black. So we can change the color in appearance in fill in the properties window. Now I click to open the color panel. We can choose another color, or we can use the solid color panel to pick another color. I use yellow, and then we can put the rectangle under the text layer. Next, we can make an alignment. Make sure that we select the shape layer and the text layer with shift click. And then we can change to Move Tool, and then we can make an alignment to align horizontal centers and align to vertical centers. So I should close the properties window. So we can make a text background under the text. So if we want to make the corner round, we can click and drag the dot to change it. This is fully round, or we can make something like this. So this is how we can add text background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.